Imagine your music so real it moves when you move, and your calls stay crystal clear even in a noisy street. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not anymore. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how Huawei's brand new FreeBuds 7i are not just ordinary earbuds. They completely change the way you experience sound, calls, and even your daily routine. And trust me, the feature you'll hear at the end will blow your mind. Let's start with the star of the show, Intelligent Dynamic ANC 4.0. This isn't your average noise cancellation. Using 3 advanced microphones and AI algorithms, these earbuds detect changes in your environment in just half a second, making noisy cafes, busy streets, or even planes feel eerily quiet. And yes, it works so well that even in environments hitting 90 decibels, your calls come through crystal clear. Next up, the sound. Huawei has added 3D spatial audio with head tracking technology. Essentially, your music now reacts to your head movements. Tilt your head, turn around, the soundstage adjusts dynamically, giving you an immersive, almost cinematic listening experience. Comfort and durability? Covered. With an IP54 rating, you don't have to worry about sweat or light rain. The FreeBuds 7i come with 4 ear tip sizes and ergonomic curves, so they stay comfortably in place even during your longest playlists or workouts. And here's a neat trick. You can answer or reject calls just by nodding or shaking your head. Hands-free communication has never been this intuitive. Oh, and I didn't mention multi-device connectivity. You can pair them with your phone and laptop at the same time. Switching between devices, instant and seamless. So, what's the final kicker? All these premium features, advanced ANC, 3D audio, smart gestures, come in a sleek design at a starting price of just €99.99. Huawei FreeBuds 7i aren't just earbuds, they're a game changer in how we listen, call, and live on the go. If you're ready to upgrade your audio experience, these might just be the pair you've been waiting for. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop a comment if you're excited to try the FreeBuds 7i.